Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel, or hi if you are new here. So today I'm going to be doing a speed clean video. The house isn't actually that bad, it just needs a good pick up. So I've dropped Taylor off at school and I'm going to get on with some cleaning. I'm starting off in the kitchen and I'm going to start with the pots. I haven't actually got that many for a change. If you know me by now, you know that this is one of the jobs that I hate doing. I don't have a dishwasher, I am the dishwasher. So it always feels like it takes forever and there's always so much to clean. Once I'm done with the dishes, I am then going to get on with the countertops. I'm just going to put things that need to be in the bin into the bin and then move everything if it isn't in the right place. Give everything a good squirt of disinfectant and wipe it over. If you saw my previous videos, you will know that I have ADHD, so cleaning and organising really aren't my strong point. So I really do find it difficult to keep on top of the house. So today I've decided that it doesn't need to be a show home, it doesn't need to be perfect. Just tidying up here and there is good enough. I'm putting on a load of laundry to get this out of the way. I have tons and tons of washing constantly. I don't know where it all comes from. There's just so much to keep up with. And then I'm going to get Ayla's clean clothes put away. I've had these folded up for so long and they've just been sat in the kitchen. I really do just need to get everything put away and off the sides. It has been quite warm here recently for the past week or so Ayla hasn't wanted her quilt on her bed. She's just using the cover off of her quilt. And then I did have a quick little pick up around her bedroom. I didn't actually tidy it that long ago, but because she's up here, she takes everything out and it always seems to get a mess really quickly. She had something stuck to a rug. It was like a little bit of like sellotape or something, so I made sure to get that off as well. Onto the bathroom, it was a little bit messy in here. There was toothpaste all over the sink. Does anybody else's kids seem to squirt half of the toothpaste into the sink rather than onto the toothbrush? Or is it just mine? I always seem to end up with big blobs stuck in the sink and I have to wash it off. I'm going to give this sink a good wipe over, clean those taps. I always seem to get bits underneath them. And then also the toilet needed a clean. I need a new toilet lid. It's been on its way out for quite a while and now it has finally give up the ghost. Ayla had come in the other day and told me that the toilet was broke and I thought she meant the actual toilet, but it's just the seat. One of the hinges has snapped off, so I do need to replace that. When cleaning the bathroom, I usually prefer to use either antibacterial wipes or a bleach spray with some kitchen roll, but I've run out of kitchen roll and I've also run out of disinfectant wipes, so I'm just going to be using this cloth with a bathroom cleaner spray, and then I'll just pop this into the wash when I'm done. But I do prefer to use wipes or something I can throw away. It just feels more hygienic to me than using a cloth, even though it's going in the wash. We're now onto the living room, which is probably the worst room in the house other than the kitchen. The living room and the kitchen are always the messiest rooms. I think it's because they're the two rooms that we're in majority of the time. So my sofa cushion covers were absolutely desperate for a wash, and it was a nice day, so I was able to get them washed and dried fairly quickly, but they are a bit of a nightmare to get back on. These pads are like solid foam. So they haven't got a lot of give in them, so when trying to put the cushion covers on, they really don't want to go back on. This little table always ends up mucky easy as well. Ayla always puts all of her things on here, and then she had this little wooden till that she's had since she was quite young. It's been sat here for ages. It's just gathering dust. She doesn't play with it, so I've just put it in the bin. It's just more clutter. She doesn't want to play with it. It's just sat there, so I thought it's just best just to get rid of it. And then also dust settles behind here quite often too. Please ignore the fact that I haven't painted my the bottom part of my wall. I forgot what it's called now. It does need matching up with the door. I need to get some more paint to finish that. And then also this, I don't know how she's managed it, but I'm pretty sure this is nail varnish. It didn't want to come off, so I did end up having to scrub it, which took the paint off, so that's also going to need repainting. And then my walls. I noticed the walls had mucky handprints everywhere, and there was also like scrape marks, so I think the dogs jumped at the wall trying to catch a fly or something. Does anybody else's kids seem to touch walls all the time? I always seem to find handprints all over the house. This unit here also gets really mucky. There's always dust that settles inside here, and also where the feet meet the floor, that's always got muck around it. I'm not sure if that's off the dog because he lays on the rug. It's just a nightmare really. So I'm just wiping off the top here. This is also a unit that Ayla uses a lot, so there is cup marks on here and a few little things that she'd left. And then I'm just going to use a dry speed mop. That's what I use to sweep all of the bits to one side, ready to hoover. Does anybody else who has nets or blinds also have this issue? It's mainly in the summertime when the flies are coming in from the open doors and windows, but they always seem to go behind the nets and then die. So I always end up with dead flies on the side, so I'm just giving that a hoover to get rid of it all and then giving it a good clean. And then the last thing I have to do in here is mop the floor. I'm just using this speed mop. Inside I've got some hot water, disinfectant and some floor cleaner. The last thing I like to do at the end of cleaning is light a candle. It doesn't matter what the weather is, I like the cosy vibes of having a candle lit, and also the smell, it just freshens up the room. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I hope it gave you some cleaning motivation, and I will see you in the next one.